Alright, well, time to do an update on a warranty enhancement notification I received a few years back. I'm thinking it was around 3 years ago. I can't find an exact date on this letter, but yeah. Anyway, this is what it says. Basically, saying that certain year model dashboards are cracking or have sticky or melting on them around the instrument panels, which I do have both actually. Involves let's see, 2003 to 2005 year Forerunners, 2005 2010 year Avalons, 2007 to 2011 Camrys and Camry hybrids, 2004 to 2010 Siennas, and 2004 to 2008 Soleras. Well, my Sienna is 2007, and it has had the sticky dashboard. I mentioned briefly in the previous video that my van has been on a list for quite a while. Finally got the call from Toyota the other day, and they said the dash finally had come in, and they got me set up for an appointment at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's now just after 7, so it's still dark out, and try to show you the cracked dash if I can do it. But yep, I'm going to be dropping my van off to get the dash replaced. So yep, anyway, let's see. Yeah, there's a crack right along the top here. You can see that with the light. Comes all the way down to about here. I also have another crack right in here. It comes down to around there. Also discovered I got a crack right along the glove compartment, or the upper glove compartment, right along in here. And yeah, it actually looks like it goes, I can't really tell how far it goes, but it goes, yeah, okay, there it is. It goes further. Looks like it goes all the way to the end. Yep, sure enough. So, I mean, it's not bad, but it's definitely getting noticeable, especially this one here around the instrument cluster. So, I'll be taking it in to get a brand new dash. That'll be nice. And also, yeah, getting on my nerves. One of their sales managers contacted me by text. I'll only get my phone and I'll read that to you. Alright, I would show you the text, but it's got his phone number at the top, and I'd rather not give that out online to cause any issues. Basically, it says, "Hi, I'm the exchange manager with Toyota, and just wanted to let you know that we are running an awesome upgrade program right now, and we are always looking for pre-qualified owned vehicles. I'd like to do a vehicle exchange review tomorrow at your 8 a.m. service appointment and go over some new options with you. Would you be interested?" And I politely respond, "No, I would not." I mean, I'm at work and I get this text, and so already, I'm getting the salesman pitch about, wanting to look at other vehicles when I've repeatedly told them no. Every time I've gone up there, they're wanting to try to do, try to scam me into another vehicle with monthly payments and all that crap. My vehicles are paid for, and I do not want to go back in debt just, for something new. And if I get something new, it will not be a Toyota. So, yeah, I like their trucks and all that, but I got a truck, 99 Dodge Ram, and I got this Sienna. Both are paid for in full, so why go in debt with another car payment? So, anyway, he responds back, "No problem. We appreciate your business in our service department. Please ask our advisor how you could earn up to $25 off tomorrow's service. Thanks again." Well, first off, this is a recall, and this service should be free. So what are you saying I'm going to get $25 off of this dash replacement? I don't get that, but yeah, already they're getting on my nerves, and I'm going to tell them flat out, I'm probably going to block this guy's number, but not to contact me or try to scam me with any other crap, because I am not interested in the salesman pitch, for a new vehicle of any kind. If I do get something, it'll be of my choice. But again, I'll be real reluctant to get anything new. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. Now, thanks to Disney Fan, he apparently works for a Toyota dealership locally, and he mentioned that I might be entitled to a free loaner. So if that's the case, I'm definitely going to look into it. You know, even though I already got my truck set up to drive it while this is getting worked on, that would be real convenient that when the van is done, I can just go take the loaner back, get my van back, instead of, you know, contacting, you know, maybe my friend Tommy to give me a lift. And plus, when I get it back, it'll probably be Saturday, possibly, and then I have to take time off from work to go get it, and this, that, and the other. So that would be, that would be less than ideal. So if I can get a loaner, I may go ahead and you know, take them up on that offer. So I guess we shall see when I get there. But if I don't get a loaner, then, you know, I guess we'll just wait for the van to come back, and, you know, we'll wrap the vlog up. Otherwise, we might just do a two-parter. So remains to be seen. But anywho, I'll probably make a quick stop by the bank on the way, and had a customer last night for taxes. Got that knocked out, even though my computer decided to update at, you know, right when I fired it up. Took 30 minutes for the Windows 10 update, you know, to finish. Got that done. Then discovered that the update corrupted my printer driver, so I had to uninstall the printer, reinstall the driver, and it's working fine. Made the taxes, tried to make copies of them, then my copier decides to give me a fit with the drum and a paper jam and all that. So, you know, basically lost an hour in updates, you know, driver issues and paper jams. And, you know, after all that, I finally got them done by 10:30 at night. So, you know, made some money. So that's what counts. But anyway, enough rambling. We'll head on over. So enjoy the road trip. Apparently I do not get a loaner. I guess if I would have communicated with the service guy. I'm like, well, service called me, so I don't know who I talked to, but I guess, you know, one guy doesn't communicate with the other, so therefore, yeah, I'm just going to get a shuttle ride home whenever the guy shows up, and I'll be driving my truck. So, yep, I guess I'll have to contact my friend Tommy to give me a lift. And I said it could be done in 3 hours, so I'm thinking, well, damn, if that's the case, then maybe I can get the van back before I have to go to work, but I don't know, because I'm working afternoon shifts this week. So, yeah, just roaming the lot real quick. A pretty blue Tacoma. See what the price of this is. That's pretty sporty. Let's see, I think it's on the other side. Pretty nice looking wheels. Tires and TRO wheels. Huh. Step bar. Looks like a 4-door. It's actually pretty sharp looking. Like Panther blue. What's the price? Oh my goodness, $51,000. Yeah. That can sit there. That's definitely styling, but way overpriced. Yeah, this is why I want a new vehicle. I don't want a payment like that. I'll be paying on that for 5 years or whatever, you know, or yeah, 5 years, probably 500 and something a month. Yeah. So, no. But I guess the mechanics, yeah, they've gotten good at replacing those dashes. So there's a nice one, nice clear coat fading. But yeah, I guess we'll see how quick they get it done. So we'll see what else we got on the lot, just for fun. And we got all the smaller trucks over here. The SUVs over there. Not even gonna look at cars. Yeah, that's where all the Tundras are down there. Looks like they got a big old truck on the lot in their showroom, or the outside showroom. Big old TARS lift kit. Check out the old SUV blackout package with the roof rack. Oh, that's something different. Huh. TRO wheel package. Yeah, pretty fancy. What's the price tag on this one? Oh, $51,000. Perfect. Man. Oh, this must have been it's a clearance. Was 60,879, now 51,939 with discount. Oh, really? 5.7 liter. It's got the custom lift kit. Get you big old Toyota. Big old Tundra. Huh. Yeah, wonder what the price is of this, just for, well, yeah, we already saw the price, $51,900. Wow. Yeah, that's nuts. Yeah, they're showing 60,879. 14 miles a gallon. Wow, perfect. Another Tundra. Your vehicle is a target. Defend it. Dent guard. Okay. This one's about 40,000. If I get a new vehicle, I have been thinking about maybe getting a Jeep, but this is like the extended. Probably got the 6-foot bed with the crew cab. That's a longer version Tacoma for sure. Huh. I mean, it's not bad, but again, you know, the prices, oh my goodness. Still remember when we bought our van, that was around $35,000 back then. If I'm not mistaken. I have to pull up the paperwork. Maybe it was less than that. Maybe it was 20, I don't know. It was all said and done. I think it was with the extended warranty. It was like, yeah, it might be why it was around 35, because we got the extended warranty. But, huh. Oh well. I'll just wait for the shuttle to come in. It's really a nice day. Our warm temperatures are disappearing though. Hit a record 79 yesterday, shattering the record, or the old record of 74 back in 1999. New X Series TRO 43.6. Oh my goodness. You're probably paying for those wheels and tires. You can probably buy those a lot cheaper and buy something with the basic wheels and tires and just add your own flair to it. Save you a few $1,000s. Oh well, I guess we'll just wrap this up and we'll get a ride home. Old Blue been moved into position, ready to get its new dash. Yeah, we're going with Tommy to get my van. Yeah, 3-hour job took 6 hours. And it was done yesterday. Couldn't pick it up because they closed, so now we're going to get it. You got any stories to tell?
Oh Lord, yes.
All right.
I got a good one. It's a shit story.
All right.
When I was sick. Now, you know, I had a cold.
Okay, yeah.
I had that cold for about a week, you know. Thank God it wasn't a flu. Oh, it was fine. It sucked, but it was okay.
Yeah.
And then I was like, well, hell, I had a cold. I better go get me a flu shot. First one I've ever had.
Yeah.
So I go get a flu shot, and damn if I don't get sick.
Oh, man.
Now, that one tells me if I had a fever when I got the flu shot, then I could catch the flu. The other one said that can't happen. That it's just my body fighting the cold and the flu at the same time, or the flu vaccine at the same time. Don't know, don't care. I got sick.
Wow.
Everybody in my family who's ever gotten a flu shot got sick after the flu shot.
Yeah.
Alright, so anyway, I get really sick, and I slept for like a couple days. Trying to get over this shit. And not only this is the first time I ever got the shits when I had the flu. Now I've been sick with the flu many times. I was sick for a month one time when I was too weak to walk.
Wow.
But man, turned out I got diabetes. Well, I didn't get it, but it popped up after the flu. So I think the flu fucked something up. Anyway.
Okay.
So anyway, I got the shits real bad. Well, I go in there. And another thing, my toilet won't hold a man-sized turd on a good day.
Damn.
So, you know, you got to plunge it after you get done dropping a good one.
Wow. Okay.
So, you know, I'm sitting there and I didn't have to plunge every one of them so far, and then it just kept getting bigger and bigger, and I was like, oh damn. And then this time I'm sitting there and I got shit, man. I go running in there, and I don't know, I must have been really full of shit. A lot of people always told me I was full of shit. Well, I got proof now.
Damn.
I went in there and I was shitting, man, and I was like, I'm starting to feel heat.
Oh no.
And I look down between my legs and there's shit piling up down there. I'm like, oh no.
Wow.
Can't flush it, it won't go down. So I'm just sitting there and I can't stop, because every time I go to wipe my hands and get up off of it and try to plunge it, I gotta just blow it out again.
Wow.
And I mean, sometimes, you know, it's just splatting, and sometimes it's just hard ass turd, you know.
Right. And
I'm sitting there and finally, man, I'm like, fuck, I gotta get up off of here. I mean, this shit's starting to push back. And I actually literally had to stand up off of a turd to get off this damn toilet. It looked like the Tower of damn Mordor standing up out there with a little kernel of corn in the top like Sauron's eye. Looking at all it surveyed. It was...
Oh my God.
I had to get a damn shovel.
A shovel? Damn.
Man, you would not believe the amount of shit.
Oh yeah, so we're talking like 20 pounds you dropped?
Man, my record's 5.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because I weighed, because my whole life everybody kept going to the bathroom and I was like, woo, I feel 10 pounds lighter. Well, I was working in a warehouse in down Charlotte.
Yeah.
And they had one of them big old industrial scales.
Right.
And I weighed myself every once in a while, and then finally, you know, I was like, because I got in trouble because I was always late because I always had to shit before I went to work.
Uh-huh.
And I said, well, hell, I just shit when I get to work, and y'all pay me to take a shit.
Yeah.
So that's what I started doing. And one day that popped in my head. I was like, tomorrow I'm going to test that theory out. So I went and I weighed myself. I went and took a shit, and I actually shit 5 pounds.
Wow.
Now it's a pretty big fucking turd. But this one right here made about 5 or 6, maybe 10 of them bites. It was huge.
So
I mean, it looked like the damn toilet was filled almost, you know, you got a little rim under there.
Yeah, right.
You got about 2 inches from the top.
Holy
it was
shit.
about a half inch, maybe an inch from the damn rim.
Damn.
And then the fucking thing popping up. I was like, son of a bitch.
Holy crap.
I mean, it looked like I damn put out self-serve ice cream and then put
Damn, self-serve ice cream.
and then damn put a damn lazy cowboy on top of it.
Damn. Jesus.
It was fucking rough, man.
Wow. That sounds brutal.
Oh, it was horrible.
I bet you felt good after all that.
Oh yeah, my asshole felt fucking horrible, but my guts felt real good.
I'll bet. What, did you have to take a shower afterwards?
Yeah.
What's that?
You damn had to stand up off of shit and then damn have to shovel it out to throw it in the damn woods.
Oh my God. Jesus. Wow.
Look, he driving.
That's funny.
And
That's
he looked at me, he's like, we'll take you.
Wow.
Yeah, but that was fucking, I was like, yeah, I told my grandma yesterday, but I was like, I got a friend of mine that got a YouTube channel, and I said, this shit's going on YouTube.
Yeah, it's a story. And you're sticking to it, right?
Oh, yeah. If I'd have had the presence of mind, man, I'd have had it on GoPro.
Wow.
I'd have took a picture with that sumbitch so you could put it on your channel.
It'd probably be flagged in a heartbeat. we can't allow mountains of shit on YouTube. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Damn, man. Wow. I was going to say, what'd you eat that might have caused that?
Oh, fuck, I don't know, man. I made a big old lasagna. It took me 4 days to eat it.
Jeez, I was going to say, did you stop by Taco Bell? Because that's what reminded me.
No. I hadn't had Taco Bell in months.
Wow. Oh my goodness. That is hilarious. So your plumbing's okay? You didn't have to call Roto-Rooter?
No, I shoveled that shit out and then got enough water to flood into it and plunged it out. And then I had to take the damn Ajax and bleach and all kinds of shit and scrub that shit out that was stuck.
Wow. That is nuts.
I ain't had that much shit in the damn toilet since I lived in the barn and couldn't damn flush the toilet because I didn't have no water.
Oh my God. No outhouse?
No outhouse.
Oh man. Well, you probably filled that up the way that sounds.
Yeah. Well, I finally figured out that you can put water in the damn. I mean, I'd never done that shit before.
Right.
And I finally figured out you can put water in the damn bowl. I mean, in the back of it, or hit it with water at the top, and it would flush itself.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like an overflow. It's got that float in there, and yeah, it'll just it'll flush on its own. But in your case, well, it might have flooded over.
Yeah, I didn't want that shit to splash back on me. That's for damn sure.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that'd have been a bad situation.
Oh yeah, my grandma tried to tell me about when she used to have to carry water. I said I carried water. How we used to have to take baths outside. I done that too.
Wow.
No heat, no air conditioning.
Or find a pond.
Yeah. Hell, I took a bath out in the horse trough.
Oh man.
I had to clean the damn thing anyway, so hell, I was out there cleaning, and I was like, I'm gonna take a bath.
Wow, I bet the horses didn't appreciate it.
Oh, ain't nothing wrong. A little ball sweat, them you give them a little flavor.
Damn. Jesus. Oh, that's hilarious. So you're all better now? I bet you shit the flu out.
I hope so.
Damn. Oh, that's hilarious. You can turn left.
I know where it's at.
Okay.
I didn't know if we was going over to Mike's shop or not.
I got you. Okay. Yeah.
I got a buddy, well, he ain't a buddy, he's a guy I went to school with that works at the Honda place, and I got another one that works over at the Toyota place.
Oh, okay. Well, he probably worked on my Toyota then.
I don't know if he's still working there. I haven't seen him in I don't know how long.
Man.
You fixing to have to dance, boy.
Yeah, dance, dog. You can do it.
Okay. Hey, we don't want to go to the Honda place. We going to the Toyota place.
Yeah, we're not getting no darn Honda. Check out my new dash. Or if they just did everything around the instrument panel, or just the very top portion.
If it was just for the top portion, it got recalled. That's what they done.
That's probably it. Yeah. I hope they washed it, because usually I get a car wash here, but it wouldn't surprise me if they were too lazy to even do that. So, they wouldn't even give me a loaner. It's, oh well, if you'd have called us and let us know. Like, oh,
these are the ones we pissed off when me and my nephew come up here and he was looking for a car.
oh yeah.
But when we told him we ain't coming up here for no damn buy nothing.
You probably, I don't know where they parked it at. Yeah, drive on up. They usually park it somewhere down in this way, but I don't see the. Oh, there it is. I see the nose of it poking out.
I'm just creeping.
Oh, okay.
I'm creepy.
Creeping? Oh, okay. No, they did wash it. How about that? They're all right.
I see the 7 and everything.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much there, Tommy.
All right. I hope y'all enjoyed my turd story.
My turd story. I'm sure they did. They'll be commenting. So, all right. I'm going to get my van, get my keys, and I got to get back to work. Fun.
Yeah. I'm going to go play Dungeons and Dragons in about an hour.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't want to hold you up. Thank you very much.
No problem, man. Anytime you need something, you just holler.
You're all right.
If I can do it or I can help, I can do it. I can't get fucked.
Well, oh, okay. Well, if you need to borrow a toilet, give me forewarning and I'll make sure the plumbing's good. So, okay, appreciate it.
All right, man.
Okay, no charge. Van's nice and clean. How about that? It needed it too. So, well, this isn't good. I couldn't pop the piece back in. Okay. No. Well, I could do that myself. Well, how about that? Jeez. Well, it looks new. So, how about that? Yeah, it looks pretty nice, I guess. Okay. This thing wasn't popped back into place right, I guess, but not brand new dash. And of course they hide my dash cam. So, alrighty then. Well, I mean, looks pretty good. Yeah, Tommy's heading on out. So, okay. So yeah, we'll go over the stuff here. All they did. Let me see here. Okay. Thank you for choosing our service department to handle your vehicle needs in order to provide the quality service, blah, blah, blah. Make recommendations, or like, we help you understand your vehicle needs to stay in tip-top condition. Of course, they performed an inspection. Of course they did. Well, let's see. What do they recommend? They recommend customer, okay, dash cracked sticky, of course that was replaced. Courtesy safety recall inspection only, tires, battery, brakes, approved, okay, complimentary wash. Good. Subtotal $0. Alright. So, okay. And, yep. Thank you for your business. Dash cracked and sticky, replaced, and everything looks like it's working. So, no charge, no charge, no charge. So, yep, $0. So, okay, well, cool. So that's the rundown. And yep, I'm gonna go ahead and head on home. We'll wrap up this here vlog. So, but yeah, I'll have to keep an eye on that bottom portion since they didn't pop it in right. But anywho, mileage 73,922. So I guess we're all right. So we'll just hit the road and enjoy the road trip.